Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Tenysiah, and today I'm creating this cute makeup look for you guys. So I already did my brows off camera. One day I'll make a video of how I actually do my brows, because sometimes it takes me a while, sometimes it doesn't, so I like to omit that from my videos sometimes. So yeah, I'm gonna go start with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and my shade is 355, and I'm just gonna put a bit on the back of my hand, just like about that much. And with the bottom of my beauty blender, it is clean, but it's brown makeup, so it's starting to get a little stained, and I'm just gonna make some dots. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me again. I basically use Maybelline Fit Me for everything. But yeah, it's the number 40 caramel. And I'm just gonna start making some tribal effects on my face. And the other day, well, not the other day, it was just actually yesterday, I went to go to get her ears pierced. She's 4 months now, by the way, actually. And, you know, a lot of people are like, oh, wait until 6 months, this and that. And then I'm like, I'm pretty sure, like I went and asked my mom after, and my mom's like, listen, you're her mother. You do it whenever you feel that you're ready. So the palette that I'm going to be using for my eyes today is the W7 Delicious, and what is it? It's called Natural and Berry. And the colors look like this. Very pretty. The chocolatey color here at the top. I don't think this palette has names. No, they don't have names, so yeah. So just the one in the far upper right corner. So yeah, I keep starting with the story about my daughter getting her ear pierced yesterday. So yeah, like I was saying, my mom finally told me, listen, everybody's always gonna have their own opinions on what you should do with your kid, what you shouldn't do with your kid. You gotta follow your gut and figure out what's best for you and her. And I'm like, really? That's perfect. Plus, she's like, also, your ears were pierced in the hospital when you were born, because that's what they did back then. Anyway, so her ears are pierced. That's it. That's all. And she looks like an absolute doll. We went to, I didn't go to one of those places in the mall. I actually went to a tattoo parlor. And at first, even too, I was thinking, like, it's kind of weird to be bringing a baby to a place where you get tattoos and piercings. But in reality, like, I don't know. For me, I find at the mall, like, I don't know if they're actually certified at the mall. Like, anybody can get, any teenager or young adult can get a job at the mall, their first job, whatever. And I don't want that person piercing my daughter's ears, right? So I thought, well, then. Oh, I didn't tell you which color I went into. Guys, I went into this color here. So I thought to myself, well, might as well have a professional. They were super nice, super informative, gave me all the information, how to clean it, how to be aware if it's infected or this and whatnot. and they were super clean. Everything was sterilized. Alicia, that's my daughter, she was such a trooper through the whole situation. She didn't even cry about the pain. What she really wanted was some breast milk after, but I mean, that's to be expected. She was sleeping and then it kind of woke her up. So usually when she wakes up, she wants her milk. So I wasn't too alarmed by that. The last color that I'm gonna use, guys, it's this color that I'm using. So that's it for the eyes. Obviously, I'm gonna put on mascara. I'm not gonna do lashes. This is a simple look. So I'm gonna powder my face to kind of set my concealers and everything. And Fit Me loose powders. Of course, everything's Maybelline. And some under eye. To the nose there. I do tend to get greasy, even though right now it's like super cold. It's like -20 here. Like really, I ain't really sweating like that. So, but I guess it's just habit. Put some on the back of my hand and then in the center of my forehead, because for some reason that always gets oily no matter what. I don't know what's up with that. I have a darker loose powder, and this is in I think it's deep. The first one is medium, this is deep. I think this one's a number 40. Yeah, it's not called deep, it's called dark. Anyways, deep dark, you know what I mean. It's a number 40, so I'm just gonna tap a little bit in. I wanted to make an update of my hospital bag. Like, yeah, I know it's months later, but honestly, I got excited because, you know, like, you're at home, you're pregnant, you're online, you're watching all kind of videos, everybody's making a hospital bag, let me see what the hype is. Of course, then it's like, I want one too, you know? But in reality, I was in the hospital for what, 24 hours? Literally 24 hours. Like, my first pregnancy, yes, I was in the hospital for 2 days. They wouldn't let me leave. They held me there hostage. Second pregnancy now with Alicia, no. 24 hours in and out. Like, I didn't need all those clothes. Do you know how many outfits I had? I almost felt like, where was I going? Like, my boyfriend tells me, like, you are such a drama queen pregnant. Oh my God. And I used to get so mad, like, why are you calling me that? You don't care about my feelings. But in reality, like, where was I? Like, I was being dramatic. Like, why would I need like 6 outfits? I mean, seriously, after the birth, did I really want to change? I did change into some leggings, you know? I wanted to have cute pictures, but in reality, like, I didn't want to change. You're exhausted. You just gave birth. You just produced life right now. Like, you don't want to do shit. So yeah, guys, my favorite part, highlight. Again, Maybelline Master Chrome. And this is 100 molten gold or fondue. Like, why do you have 2 names? So I know a lot of people like to highlight the brow bone. Me, I don't know, I used to, but lately, not anymore. My Cupid's bow, I love when my Cupid's bow is extra highlighted for no reason. So what I'm gonna take is my Kate nude, and it's Rebel. I love this one. This is like literally my go-to lipstick because it almost looks like I'm wearing nothing on, and I love that. Anyways, this is a look, guys. I'm very happy with how it came. I had fun making this video for you guys. I think it's cute. It's not too glamorous, but it still looks well put together, and it was super simple and very, very easy to make. So yes, guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay beautiful, ladies.